change a headlight bulb on a 2010 Honda Fit. You open the engine, or the hood. That headlamp, which is a 9003, this is about 10 bucks or something. Reach back in here, right behind the headlight. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little wire. It just pushes right on. It's very, very easy to take off. Then you take off the rubber bladder, you know, which seals it from, you know, prevents it from getting wet. And then the light bulb itself is held in place by a metal clip. I think you have to unclip it. I feel the clip. You push in and lift up. So there's no real way to show you this. Here, I'll try to drop the phone there. You push this clip, this one, you push in and up. Okay, so to get it to clip back down, you push up and in and then down. We'll lock the bulb into place. So then you just slide it right out. And then there it is. 3 words when you're getting busy. Whoop, there it is. Hit me. Whoop, there it is. Whoop. I'm doing this upside down. I can't see the camera. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. At any rate, that's the bulb. Here's the replacement. It's fine to touch the base and everything. Just don't try not to touch the bulb itself with your fingers. So I'm wearing a glove. And this should just pop right back in. Under the clip yet. Oh, there it is. Alright, putting it back in, there's a little groove. There's a notch and a groove that you got to get the light bulb in. So this right here, see that notch? This notch has to slide into the little groove catcher that's inside here. I guess this is the biggest pain in the ass about changing this. I've never done this before, so you always gotta expect a little bit of difficulty the first time. So I'll just line up the groove if you could find it. I think that's it. That's in right there. So up and down, and the rubber gasket here goes under this top portion. And then you'll actually feel it snap in. And then the last connection is very, very simple. You just line up the holes and push it in. Now, that should be a functioning headlight. Get my key and we'll find it. Keys in, headlights are on. And success. So now is a replace bulb. So very good, I'm happy. If I had replaced that before, it would have taken 3 minutes, but because that was my first time replacing a bulb in this car, it took 10 minutes.